using a string line here as a gauge or as a guide, just to maintain the straightness. Let me go get a piece of block. I'm just gonna put this right in the corner here. I'm gonna go down at the other end now to raise up my line. Alright, so bring the line right up. You wanna get it right to the edge. Alright, so I'm gonna start to spread my mortar. The trick of spreading your mortar is to have the right consistency. As you see here, I have mayonnaise peanut butter consistency. As you go, you want to keep storing your mortar. Always try to keep a nice clean board. Store your mortar. Keep a nice clean trowel as well. You have to clean your trowel as you go. Now we're going to take up a good amount and we're going to shake it. I shake it so that way I can get the gravity. If I turn it upside down, it won't fall off. Now I shake it, I'm just going to go over. We're going to position the tip of the trowel here. I'm going to start run, put up our hand high, and slowly go down like this with my hand. You're going to see as I go. See? Up, down. So I go start up, then I go down. I just keep repeating the same process. Again, up, down. Now we're going to come over this other side now. Same thing. Up, down. Remember this. Remember as you go, you shake your hand to get the gravity. You see, I go up and I slide it down. It's pretty straightforward. Don't expect you're gonna get it right away the first time you try. You might have it fall off a few times. But practice to become perfect. You didn't learn this straight in one day. Don't be too hard on yourself. Be patient with yourself. Tell yourself, if Ryan do it, you can do it as well. Okay, so now we spread all of our blocks. We're going to start to lay block from down there. We're going to butter the face of our block. It's the same procedure. Take up some water on the trowel, shake it, just to get the gravity. And now we're gonna butter the edge of our block. So I'm gonna go the same way, up, down, shake again. Just like that. Now we're going to start to lay our block. Okay, the way you want to lay your block, you want to try to get the bottom of the block right here to the edge of this block here. And afterwards you bring the top over to the line. So I'm trying to match the bottom with the existing block that's already there. Once I get it there, once I get it down, I try to bang it over right to the line. You want to stay a fraction away from your line. Just a fraction away. Same result. Try to match the bottom first, the existing one that's already there. Take up the mortar, that way you see what you're doing. Now that the mortar is clear, it's telling me that the bottom want to go out. So in order to get the bottom out, you have to tap here, down. So we're tapping it that way, that's the bottom go out. You want to come in back, tap it in a little bit. Once you fix the bottom, you go back up top, make sure the top, all the space should be equal right beside the line. Should be have the same space. Just fill in my joint here. I'm going to butter another block here again. Remember, if you don't shake it, it will fall off. So don't forget that you need to shake it in order to get the gravity. We're going to butter our block again. Shake. Now our block have two sides to it. Here we have a smooth side and here we have a rough side. You always want to turn the rough side down.